I'm Dr. Alexis Hazen. I am a plastic surgeon, and I'm super excited to be talking to you about our new laser, which I absolutely love, the Excel V+, which treats so many different conditions. I am located at 535 Fifth Avenue, which is 44th and 5th. It's an awesome location. We're on the 29th floor. What is Excel V+ and what types of conditions can it treat? It is a laser that has two different particular wavelengths, 1064 and 532. And what that means, it can treat different conditions on the skin. And it is really versatile, which is one of the things that I love about it. So it can treat everything from brown spots to spider veins, to photo rejuvenation, which is rejuvenation of the skin, and even things like hair removal and port wine stains, which are very rare, but it can actually treat those as well. The awesome thing about this laser is that it's really not painful. Really comfortable, fast treatment for the person who's doing the treatment, that's me. The hand pieces are really easy to move, so they maneuver quickly and easily, so it's a really fast treatment. And for the patient, most of the wands have a cooling aspect of it, so the treatments are really not painful. The most you feel is some warmth, and it means we don't even have to numb patients. So they come right in, they can get treated and leave within like 25 minutes. So it really is like a lunchtime laser.